Hello to everyone, my friend Takemichi Suzukawa from Japan asked me if I may make a high pass and low pass filter in audio frequency spectra with a double pot but with one shaft, one knob control. And here it is with additional toggle which shift between high and low pass filter in different directions. On the left there is cut on the right for both, and on the right toggle switch left is pass for bass and right is pass for high frequency spectra. Let us hear the clean tone of my guitar. It is full true bypass and it works as cabinet or speaker simulator and may be directly connected via recording device, as I recording this video and audio through Focusrite 3rd generation solo, and directly to the mixer for live performing. You cannot even record or live perform with high gain, distortion or fuzzes without this kind of filter pedals. Let us hear distortion directly connected to the sound card.